हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आप सभी फाइन एंड हेल्दी होंगे। सो स्टूडेंट्स, आज की क्लास में हम मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल्स के फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। एलिमेंट्स आर क्लासिफाइड एज मेटल्स, नॉन मेटल्स एंड मेटालॉइड्स। मेटल्स के एग्जांपल्स हैं गोल्ड, सिल्वर, एल्यूमिनियम एट्सेट्रा। एंड नॉन मेटल्स के एग्जांपल्स हैं लाइक सल्फर एंड फॉस्फोरस। एंड मेटालॉइड्स के लाइक जर्मेनियम एंड बोरॉन। फिजिकल स्टेट: metals are generally solid at room temperature, but mercury is the exceptional metal which exists in liquid form at room temperature. Non-metals exist in all three states: solid, liquid and gas. Metals are lustrous in nature. Let's prove this by doing an activity. Take a brick, a piece of gold, sulfur, place them in dark room and switch on the light. When light falls on gold and sulfur piece, you will observe that gold shines while solid sulfur does not. Hence, we can conclude that metals are lustrous while non-metals are non-lustrous in nature. Metals are usually hard and very strong. Hardness varies from metals to metals. Metals like sodium and potassium are soft and can be easily cut with a knife, while aluminium and copper and iron ये knife से कट नहीं होता. Malleability and ductility. Metals are malleable and ductile in nature. Let us do an experiment to show it. Take an iron block and strike on it with hammer. You will observe that iron changes into sheet. This property is called malleability. Copper changes into wire by doing some mechanical work. This property is called ductility. Non-metals do not show malleable and ductile in nature. For examples, coal and sulfur. Malleability of material. Let us do an activity to demonstrate malleability of material. Take a small iron nail, a coal piece, a piece of thick aluminium wire and a pencil. Now beat the iron nail with a hammer and try to hit hard. Now hit the aluminium wire. Now repeat this activity on coal and a pencil lead. You observe that iron nail and aluminium wire get flattened on hammering, while coal piece and pencil lead break into pieces. Thus, the property of material by which they can be beaten into thin sheet is called malleability. The next property is conductivity. Notice when your mom cooks food in a metallic pot in a kitchen and touches this pot with open hand, her hand gets